clip is that about Tesla. What we have to talk about Tesla. The Boring Company test is Tesla internal system in Las Vegas. That's a very good news because Tesla's, Tesla's, Tesla are creating a very good thing. They are building tunnels uh, underground, and you can use your car in an elevator. You go down, and you can run and appear in the other side of the city. Let's see if you can watch a little bit of this without getting a strike. Okay, okay. It is a car. Oh, vou. Mas tá aí? Não. Todos esses chegaram. Aí eu vou fazer teste deles. 7h40. Tá. Eu devo entregar lá na volta. Oh, that's better than I was thought. Okay. What we saw is a very interesting thing because I thought you have to stop your car at a building and you drive your car into the elevator and you go down and you get into the tunnel and you go. But what we see here is you going in a tunnel. It's very interesting thing. You can take your car and you are going, I have a Tesla. Okay, I have a tunnel to go. And you go there and you don't have to wait your time. You just enter the tunnel and go. That's what I saw. You just enter the tunnel and go, and they make two tunnels, one to go, one to go, come back, and it's very interesting. So you don't have to wait your time to go, and maybe if you have to wait 1 or 5 minutes, it would be better than get stuck on traffic. So Tesla is doing a very nice thing, man. That's very good. Let's see. Elon Musk's Boring Company starts shutting passengers through the twin tunnels it built underneath the Las Vegas Convention Center this week as part of the test to get the system ready for its full debut in June. Next month, videos, images, and accounts shared around the internet by the people who showed up for the test offers the most current glimpse yet at Musk's solution for traversing the LVCC campus. It is quite literally just Telus being driving through two 0.8 mile tunnels. a far cry from the autonomous sled and shuttle ideas that Musk also proposed for the Boring Company. There are three steps to the LVCC loop system. The station at either end are above ground, while the one in the middle is at the same 30-foot depth deep as the tunnel. The Boring Company used a few dozen Tesla vehicles, including Model 3 sedans and Model Y and Model X SUVs, during the test. While the company has talked about making rides call for car using an app, the test only requires them to wake up to the next available car. Test riders then hopping in went to one of the other two stations and repeated. It appears most riders got between 7 or 8 to a dozen rides during the test. It's very interesting. The Boring Company say the loop will ultimately turn a 45-minute walk into a 2-minute ride. Oh, oh, mm. Though it's not down to that level of efficiency yet, hence the test. In one video, one of the test riders said they had to wait about 3 to 5 minutes for a few of the rides, though even with a top speed around of 40 miles per hour, trips between stations appear to have taken about a minute to a minute and a half. So that's another interesting thing. They are saying that uh, you can go there walking and wait a Tesla, and you can enter in a Tesla and pass there to the other side. You just call an app. I'm going to the tunnel, to the boring thing, and you stop there, call a Tesla, and the Tesla you stop, and you enter the Tesla, and you go out in the other side. It will save you 35 minutes walk. That's amazing, man. Really good, Tesla. Well done. As I said, you have to wait 1 to 3 or 5 minutes. Oh my God, 1 to 5 minutes waiting a car stop by next to you, and you enter the car and you appear 45 minutes of distance without walking. It's very good, very good. We had a lot of fun getting to know the new Boring Company. Okay, here are tests of the experience with a full video coming very soon.
Central Station, the one that's underground, very Las Vegas.
Look at that, how nice it is. You don't have to wait the car next to you pass all the tunnel. You can go behind him. And if the cars are without drivers, they can pass there one behind one, and they can go faster because they are autonomy. Let's see if there is a driver. Look the flame. That's awesome, man. It's incredible, man. It's incredible. There are also just some general confusion as people got used to how the system worked. Passengers were being constantly reminded to leave the doors open when exiting the vehicle to speed up the transition to the next ride. Okay, one person got bonked on the head by one of the Model X Falcon wing doors. I saw that. It was here, here, here. This guy. Look that.
Uh-oh.
He didn't pay attention. Okay. Where we were? Okay. The big question with the Boring Company efforts in Las Vegas is pretty much the same as it always is with Musk ideas. How will it scale? The company say it wants to eventually transport 4,400 people per hour through the LVCC loops tunnels, thought TechCrunch discovered documents late last years that seem to show it will only be able to transport 1,200 people beyond the LVCC loop. I guess 4,000 people, it depends how many people will be inside the car at time. It depends, but it's possible. It's possible. Beyond the LVCC loop, the Boring Company wants to build a massive tunnel system that runs on the whole city, including the Las Vegas Strip and the airport. It claims this massively scaled-up version of its underground highway will be able to handle a little more than 15,000 passengers per hour. The Boring Company has claimed it plans to allow a maximum speed of 150 miles per hour in these tunnels, but has limited speeds during the test so far. And while the goal is to ultimately to have Tesla drivers themselves, the system rely on human drivers for the foreseeable future. Reaching that to speed is one of the key things. The Boring Company says that is Tesla's internal idea apart from, say, a subway system. Another is cost, which we've seen the company do in its most recent proposal in Miami. It's like you want to be at 10 unless the company is able to automate the driving as the tunnel are too tight for human drivers to continuously and carefully navigate at such high speeds. Another thing that was obvious from videos of the test. Okay, this was one thing I was saying to you that if they don't have driver driving the car, if they exempt people, exempt humans to drive the Tesla, they could program the car to go at high speed without uh, crashing into the tunnel and without crashing to the next car on front. So if they could program all these cars to do that by themselves, it would be nice, man. You can go there with your car driving, and when you enter the tunnel, the car is get into the autonomous car, and the car go by themselves. Okay, the car go by itself, programmed by Tesla's man, the body man. So, or you can stop in the entrance and call in the app the Tesla, and in the future people can go to the job and let the car working for themselves. It's insane. And you are in the job working, and your car are working for you, and you are receiving money from people who are renting the car when you are working. That's insane. That's insane. And you can go there, asking the app, the car will arrive, and you go into the car, and the car pass to the turn by itself, and in the other side, you go out the car, and the car continue doing this by itself. And maybe in the station, you can let the car out program it to stop and recharge. Maybe there are Tesla workers there putting the car charging when they are not in working. That's insane. That's insane. It's a new future we are going to see soon. We're going to see that soon. So if you'd like what I talk here, if you like watching me talking this nonsense and talking about all those things, you can watch me live and talk with me watching my live. And this is the dots, the the tech dots. It's the first time I'm doing this on YouTube, and you can watch me every week talking about these things. So that's it. Thank you everyone for watching me. Follow me on my media socials in Twitch, Twitter, and Instagram. Go there, follow me, and have a nice day.